Oh no, no, I overslept. Today is my first day at work. I set my alarm last night. I really did, but I didn't hear it. How did this happen? Okay, I need to get dressed. Where is my outfit? I was so nervous last night. I couldn't sleep. And now I am late. This is not good. This is really not good. Okay, Lisa, you can do this. Just breathe. It's okay to be nervous. Everyone is nervous on their first day, right? Right? Okay, I found the building. That's good. But where's the door? I see two doors, one on the left, one on the right. Which one is the main entrance? They look the same. Okay, I'll try the left one. Excuse me, is this the main entrance?
Yes, this is the main entrance.
Oh, great, thank you. So, the left door is not an entrance?
That's the exit.
The exit, of course it is. Okay, I'm here for my first day. My name is Lisa.
Welcome. Please go straight and turn left. The reception desk is right there.
Go straight and turn left. Got it. Thank you so much. Entrance, exit. They are different. I need to remember that. Entrance is where you go in. Exit is where you go out. Hi. Good morning. My name is Lisa. I have an appointment today. It's my first day. I was hired last week.
Good morning. Let me check the list. I don't see your name here.
Oh, really? Could you check again, please? It's short for Elizabeth.
Let me try again. Oh, I see it now. It was registered as Elizabeth. Here is your visitor badge. Please wear it at all times. Someone from HR will come and get you shortly.
Thank you so much. I'll wait here. Finally, I'm in the building now, and I learned something today. When your name is not on the list, don't panic. Just say, could you check again, please? That's it. Stay calm, be polite. It always works. It's on floor 3. This is floor 3. And this door right here, this must be the meeting room. Let's go. Oh no. Oh, I am so sorry. I think I have the wrong room. I'm so sorry. That was the bathroom. The bathroom. Okay, don't think about it. Just find the real meeting room. Where is the meeting room? Excuse me. I'm sorry to bother you. Where is the meeting room? Is this really floor 3?
Yes, this is floor 3. The meeting room is just down the hall. On your right, you'll see a sign that says Conference Room B.
Conference room B. On my right. Thank you so much. Conference room, meeting room, break room, bathroom. They are all different rooms. Read the sign carefully. Always read the sign. I will never forget that again.
Yes, come in, come in. You must be Lisa. Welcome.
Thank you. Sorry I'm a little late. I had a small situation. Oh, this looks nice. What do you recommend?
The pasta here is really good. And the chicken sandwich is amazing.
The chicken sandwich sounds great. Let me look at the menu. Chicken sandwich with... What is aioli? Hey, Sarah, what is aioli? Is it a sauce?
Yes, it's like a garlic mayonnaise.
Oh, garlic mayonnaise. Actually, I'm allergic to garlic. Could I have this without the aioli?
Of course, no problem at all. Anything else?
That's everything, thank you. Oh, there is aioli on this. Excuse me, I'm sorry to bother you. I ordered this without the aioli. I'm allergic to garlic. Could I get a substitute, please?
Oh, I'm so sorry about that. I'll fix it right away.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. This looks delicious. Thank you so much. Okay, I didn't know what aioli was. That's okay. It's always okay to ask, what is this? What do you recommend? Could I have this without that? These are simple expressions, but they are so useful. Don't be embarrassed to ask. People are always happy to help. And one more thing, small talk is not scary. That was my first day. It was a lot. I overslept. I couldn't find the entrance. My name was not on the list. I walked into the bathroom instead of the meeting room. 5 awkward moments, all in one day. But you know what? I survived. It was awkward, but I survived. Today was not perfect, but that's okay. First days are never perfect. It's okay to make mistakes. It's okay to feel nervous. It's okay to not know everything. What matters is that you keep going. See you in the next episode.